Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening! Nandito na naman tayo sa pinakamagandang part ng pagiging isang online associate kasi right now, matutunghayan naman natin yung income transition ng pinakabagong nating online associate na former professor. Yan po yung kanyang pangalan. And as of the moment, 00 ang laman ng account niya. And time check tayo, it's 8:11 p.m. So after encoding, check natin magkano yung madagdag sa account na ito. Kaya stay tuned! Welcome back guys! So tapos na tayong mag-encode. So after 5 minutes, tingnan natin magkano yung nadagdag sa income ni Ma'am Mel. Ding ding ding! Napaka-thrilling. Wow! That's 20,000 pesos. Congratulations, Ma'am Mel, sa additional 20,000 pesos na income mo in 5 minutes. Grabe!